Well, hi there, music makers. Today, we're going to write a list song, and we're going to list things in the order of the alphabet. Now, you can make a list song about anything, but I was just at the zoo, and I thought we might write a list song about different animals. So let's give this a try. A is for antelope, and B is for bear, and C can be for cat, and D can be a dog in a hat, and E is for Can you think of an animal that starts with the letter E? Elephant, of course. E is almost always for elephant. E is for elephant, and F can be for frog. That's a good one. Flamingo. Or how about a flying fox? G can be for goat. Or how about we make G for garden? And we can make up a song about a magic garden where all the animals live together. I'll tell you what, for the verses, we'll list animals. And then when we get to the choruses, we'll sing about places that animals might live. So let's give it a try, and you can always put in your own animals if you like. A is for antelope, and B, well, that's for bee. C and D is cats and dogs, friends for you and me. E is for elephant, it nearly always is. F can be for flying fox, what a way to live. And G, oh G, a garden growing free. How green the grass, how fair the lass who tends it there for me. G, oh G, the wonders yet to see. From man and beast, the wild feast of life born from the tree. H is for heffalump, the real as we can hope. I can be for ibex, and J the jackalope. K is for kangaroo, she leaps across the plain. L and M the lion's mane, and N the noise he makes. Roar. And oh fate, come open up the gate. The ocean there awaits to come and cover me. Oh me, to every last degree. Life that seeps from all the deeps and creeps upon the sea. Where are we now? O, P. P is for penguin, he waddles round the pole. Q is for a quirky quail who scurries round her hole. R is the rattlesnake, and S the noble swan. T is for triceratops, who now I fear are gone. And you, oh you, the universe, it's true, begins and ends with our furry friends fixed in what they do. You, oh you, the underworld remains, death from life and peace from strife complete the living chain. V. V is for vulture, and W the whale. And while he bellows deep his song, he marks time with his tail. 2, 3, 4. X is the xenops bird, and Y the yellow yak. Z, of course, is, that's right, zigzags on her back. And G, oh, a G, a garden growing free. How green the grass, how fair the lass who tends it there for me. G, oh, a G, the wonders yet to see. For man and beast, the wild feast of life born from the tree. Oh, garden grow, oh, garden grow, garden of man and beast grow. Now you can come up with your own list song and make it about anything you like. Could be food or places to go, or you can come up with your own animal song. I'll see you next time.